Hi guys, Dan's Dollars here. Here we go then. We are counting down to New Year's together on the channel this evening. We are going to play a close-up coins game. Some of these have been super difficult, but yet people have still been managing to get them all correct. So I am going to try and make it as difficult as possible, but still trying to make it fair at the same time. There's 5 commemorative 50p coins to try and guess. 2 of them are territory coins, but all of these coins you will have seen on the channel over Christmas. It's really simple. If you do want to play along, all you need to do is comment in that comment section below the numbers 1 to 5, and then next to those numbers what commemorative coins you think they are. Again, number 1 and number 5 are both territory coins, so there is 2 territory coins out of the 5, and the other 3 coins, 2, 3 and 4, you can find all of these coins in UK circulation. A little bit of a fun game to get everyone thinking before the New Year strikes at 12 o'clock midnight. And again, before we get there, there is going to be another coin hunt and a couple more videos. And again, I really would love to wish you all a very happy New Year. And I really do wish you all the best in 2022. The previous video that's just gone up is the subscriber of the year. We couldn't just pick one. We have actually done a top 3. And in that video, everyone has been voting for those subscribers that have done that extra bit in the community. There's more than 3 that have done the extra bit. There's probably hundreds of people that have. And again, I cannot thank you all enough. The community that we have made really is like no other. And again, a huge shout out to everyone at home. So I'll stop talking and let everyone get their thinking caps on. Whether you're going out for a few drinks tonight, whether you're staying in, again, I wish you all the best in the new year. Stay safe, and as always, guys, thanks for watching.